Okay.
Alright, so this is a JWP 12 thickness pen. Okay. This has already been opened, so I can remove this. Martlets. It's packed nice and tight. There's a plastic bag over here. And here it is. Very neat.
Oh, lift it up.
Okay.
Use the plastic things. Oh, you can pick it up like that.
There it is.
Heavy, eh?
It's very heavy. Now,
Where are we gonna
That's
pack
it in
it?
the box. In its box. Okay.
now let me take this out here. That's one thing, it does not come with a plug.
Okay, so we're gonna have to fit a plug.
Yes.
It doesn't come with a plug.
Why? Why not? That's odd.
Here's a box.
Maybe there's
Let's
a
check
plug
this
in
out
there.
here.
Why wouldn't it come with a plug? My word.
Okay. There's whatever that is.
It is an adapter for the shop vac.
That's an adapter
Yay,
for the shop
at
vac.
long last. My goodness, we needed that, okay?
Okay, a few tools for setting it up.
Tools.
Allen keys.
Is that a thing?
Spanner.
Yeah, I think it's a 10. A 10mm spanner. And some of these screw bolts things. I'm just gonna put it on the wood. This is.
The things that it stands on, I would imagine.
Let's check. Open this up and have a look see. I think it's more vacuum.
That's a handle.
Yeah, this is
And
that.
things to stand on.
Yeah. Okay,
Put it back in the bag?
Now we're gonna
Put
put
it
it all together now.
Oh, alright.
Don't want to lose anything. Here we go. Then this is the last piece.
Who knows?
It looks like a spare blades. Spare blades,
Okay.
eh?
Oh, okay. Don't
I do
take
just
it
want
out.
to take out, check it out. Spare
Yeah.
blades. so
Is it the
very
spare
sharp.
blade,
Yeah.
right? Okay, cool.
Or maybe it's the blades for
Yeah,
in it
let's
now.
see if we need it.
Now,
Alright.
this is the jet.
Just see. These dangerous weapons.
Seems to be a cardboard insert over here. Oh, it's a metal insert. Leave it.
Can I take this one?
No, leave it.
Okay. It feels like there are blades on there. Yes, the blades are on there already. Okay, so here it is. It's very nice. It's very neat.
Handle on there.
The handle must come over.
It only makes sense that it would go over there, eh?
Oh, like that.
And
There we
you-
go.
There we go, and you'd need one of those.
Both over there.
Yeah. To pop it in.
Okay, so it comes with everything that you need to set it up.
Very neat.
Oi!
Okay, here is the bolt. By the looks of it, it is the bolt.
Such a long one.
Maybe this is the bolt. Yes, that is the bolt.
Key.
Then here, you want to use a small Allen key for this one, or no? You want to use the big Allen key for this one.
Doesn't it need this thing in as well?
Is there a washer for it?
There's a washer.
That looks like a spring washer for it. I'll put that in.
Alright, I'll put it in right now.
What I'm most surprised about is I don't see any instructions.
It's okay, we throw them
There
away
might be
anyway.
some further down in the box, Dad.
I didn't see any further down. In the
Well, I didn't open the box that much.
No, I didn't see. And without instructions, I want to know what those other pieces go on.
Oh,
Okay.
We chuck them away anyway, babe, so it doesn't matter. I think it's for, look here. Look here, Gav.
Not too much load, please.
This comes down here. This is like just a thing to,
And these go into that, but it looks
To what?
good.
yeah, to mount it. These are just to stand on.
Okay, let's see where they go. So Holden, can you hold this for me? Okay. Why don't we all pause all the videos so I can watch a video to see how it sets up? Okay?
Because we don't have instructions.
Have you even looked a little further in the box?
Alright, so Gavin just checked it. Hold on. This is to align the new blades when you put new blades on. And these we are going to put it on the bottom there, I would imagine, to stabilize it, eh?
Yes. Okay, so I'm going to lift it up.
Okay, baby, I'll do these sides. Yeah, that looks like it's fairly practical.
It's pretty heavy.
Yeah, but you've got muscles, Gabriel.
Guys can move a little bit faster.
Drop it down.
Hey man, I'm also here. There,
Please don't drop it
stable.
like that. Okay.
This
Alright,
you would
that-
take off, eh?
Attachment.
But we need a plug, guys,
Okay.
because this thing doesn't come with plugs.
Alright, let's
For some weird
put
reason.
a plug
Oh,
on.
no, I don't understand why, but anyway.
I will get the shop vac ready for long. Right out here.
Yeah.
No. Right, okay, that's cool.